In our digitally connected world, safeguarding personal information has become an imperative concern. California has emerged as a trailblazer in data privacy, with two significant legislations in place: the California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA, and the California Privacy Rights Act, CPRA. In this video, we will delve deeper into these laws, providing insights into their implications and offering concrete actions for implementation, particularly focusing on CCPA's requirements. Introduction. The ever-expanding digital landscape has elevated the importance of protecting sensitive data. California, recognizing this urgency, has enacted two pivotal data privacy laws: the CCPA, in effect since January 1, 2020, and the CPRA, which was passed in November 2020 and is set to take full effect in 2023, further enhancing data protection measures. Understanding CCPA requirements. The California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA, revolutionized data privacy for California residents. Here are the key requirements. Data access. CCPA grants you the right to inquire about the personal data that companies collect, the purposes for which they use it, and whether it is shared with third parties. Businesses must provide this information upon request. Data deletion. You can request the deletion of your data held by businesses, subject to certain exceptions. Companies must comply with these requests within specified timeframes. Opt-out. You have the right to opt out of the sale of your personal information. Businesses are required to prominently display a "Do not sell my personal information" link on their websites. Non-discrimination. CCPA prohibits businesses from discriminating against consumers who exercise their privacy rights. This means they cannot charge you different prices or provide different levels of service based on your choices regarding data sharing. Data security. Businesses are obligated to maintain reasonable security measures to protect your personal information from data breaches. Disclosure. Companies must disclose what categories of personal information they collect, why they collect it, and the categories of third parties with whom they share this information. Children's privacy. Special provisions apply when dealing with the personal information of minors. Parental consent is required for children under the age of 13. Concrete implementation steps for CCPA compliance. To ensure compliance with CCPA, businesses should take the following steps. Data mapping. Conduct a comprehensive data audit to understand what personal data you collect, where it's stored, and how it's used. Update privacy notices. Revise your privacy policies and notices to inform consumers about their rights under CCPA, including how to make requests and opt out of data sales. Data request handling. Develop a system for handling consumer requests for access to or deletion of the data. Respond to these requests within the prescribed timeframes. Consent management. Implement procedures for obtaining clear and informed consent from consumers before collecting or selling their personal information. Employee training. Train your staff, particularly those responsible for handling consumer inquiries, on CCPA requirements. Data security measures. Strengthen data security protocols to prevent data breaches, including encryption, access controls, and regular security audits. Vendor management. Assess and monitor third-party vendors' compliance with CCPA to ensure they meet the same standards. Conclusion. CCPA stands as a landmark in data privacy regulation, putting control back into the hands of consumers. By adhering to its requirements and taking proactive steps to implement them within your organization, you not only protect consumer rights but also fortify your reputation as a responsible steward of sensitive data. Stay informed and stay compliant to navigate the evolving landscape of data privacy successfully. Remember, the responsibility to safeguard personal data is a shared one, and these regulations are instrumental in securing a digital future built on trust and accountability.